Hey guys, so today I'm back with another video, and today's video I'll be doing the review of Selfless by Hyram Retinol. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. So I have never tried any retinol before. This is like my first time using retinol. So I started using this product since June 30th till now. Now it's September 8th. So I know this product is meant for hyperpigmentation, acne scars, and also dark spots. And obviously I have redness and hyperpigmentation. So yeah, I wanted to try to use retinol to see if it can cure my dark spots. So yeah, I started using this since June 30th when it launched. So in the first month, I actually used it once a week just because I didn't want to irritate my skin, because I am introducing a new product for my skin. So I also did some research before using this retinol. They recommend to use it once a week first and then gradually use it 2 to 3 times a week so that it doesn't irritate your skin. So yeah, what I did was I used the Selfless by Hyram cleanser, and if I do use this serum, I would use this toner because I have one that is AHA and BHA. This is by Some By Me, but you can't actually mix this with the retinol. So on days that I don't use the retinol, I use this toner. Actually, it's almost finished. So yeah, I use this toner whenever I use the retinol so that it doesn't irritate my skin. After I wash my face, I use this toner, wipe my face with this with cotton pads, and then after that I use the retinol and then I put it on my hand and pat it on my skin. And when I squeeze the bottle, actually there's a problem because I can't quite like squeeze it for like the drops. It actually like squirts out, and they actually said that to put 4 to 5 drops on your hand and then pat it on your skin, but I'm just eyeing it because I couldn't really get the drops, because when you press it, it's the product actually like just comes out. The product actually doesn't give you those drops, but yeah, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, so that's kind of like a problem. But yeah, after using the retinol, I would put the rosehip oil on my face, and that is basically it. And I only use this every night. So I know this product cannot be used with benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid, HA and BHA, and some other ingredients. So yeah, I try to avoid that when using this retinol. So when using retinol, also you have to apply sunscreen every day, just because it makes your skin more sensitive to the sun when you use any retinol, I guess. So what I use is this sunscreen, and I know this sunscreen doesn't break me out because I don't know, when my skin reacts to something, I know that it's not for me. So yeah, that's what I use for the sunscreen. And so on the days I don't use the retinol, I would use Aztec Healing Clay. Yes, I still use it. And also I still use Stridex pads, and also like sheet mask on the days I don't use the retinol. So yeah, I have been using the product for 2 months now, and I don't know if it's just me, but it didn't work for me. And yeah, as you guys can see my face, this is my skin now.
Oh my god, what is that?
It's pretty much the same still. Recently I actually got a facial. That was my first time, but yeah, I don't think it had to do with anything with these breakouts, but because they extract the whiteheads, yeah, it kind of like got like really red. Even before that, my skin was still like inflamed, but yeah, I don't really see any difference after 2 months of using this. Honestly, I still have the dark spots, and I know I still have like redness. Right now actually I am trying to go back to my old skincare routine because I know that worked for me, so yeah, I'm trying to go back to that routine. So let's talk about the price. I would say for such a small product, it is expensive.
Oh wow.
As you guys know, it is a collab, so you know, business price. For the price point, it's not the most expensive item, but I won't recommend it because I'm sure there's more affordable retinol out there that works, and I don't know, I think this is just not for me because it didn't work. Would I buy this again? Probably not, but yeah, let me know if you guys have tried this and it works for you. So yeah, I would have to find another retinol. If you guys have any suggestion, any good retinol, comment down below. So the product is actually really runny. I thought it would be like a thicker texture, but it is like watery. The smell, it doesn't have any fragrance, so it doesn't really have that smell that you would want, like a relaxing smell, you know. So yeah, just letting you guys know. So yeah, that is my experience with this product. That is basically it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.